to speak with a friend who did watch, and then we went to an after party. And so he shared to me that 2018 we had a conversation from Facebook kasi he lives here in New York na. And so he told me na, you know what, meron tayong conversation 2018 that I sent you a photo of New York City's like street view, and I told him, oh, I wish, I mean, that's one of my like dream city to visit because I'm still back home. I mean, I'm still in the Philippines that time. And he responded, I forgot all of this, and he responded like, yeah, hopefully you can get a concert and do a sold out show. And it really was like a dream come true. I told him like, magdilang hell ka sana. And so it really happened last night. It was a full show. It was 1,500 audience. Grabe yun, 1,500 people. And you get to compete with the Broadway. You know, Town Hall is in Broadway. And then, sobrang daming Broadway shows that you get to compete with. But they chose my concert. So they watched me and they enjoyed it. And I was able to speak with some people from Town Hall too, like who did work there. He told me, this guy told me like, it's very unusual that a Filipino can do a sold out show in concert in Town Hall.
Magandang araw po sa inyo at welcome back dito sa ating panibagong video. At ating pag-uusapan para sa vlog na ito si Sofronio Vasquez pa rin matapos yung kanyang successful at sold out na concert doon sa Town Hall, New York kahapon. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At meron nga pong pa-live si Sofronio Vasquez dito sa kanyang social media account na kung saan ay napakarami niyang announcement mga kapolitika, and most importantly is nagpapasalamat siya doon sa mga umattend at nag-participate dito sa kanyang concert sa Town Hall sa New York, na kung saan ay dinaluhan ng libu-libong katao, hindi lang po mga Pinoy, pati na rin nakita natin doon meron ring mga Americans na nag-attend ng concert ni Sofronio, and positibo po at maganda ang naging feedback ng mga concert goer ni Sofronio dito sa Town Hall sa New York. So dito sa kanyang live is marami siyang announcement, at sinabi nga po ni Sofronio dito sa kanyang live sa kanyang Facebook na kung saan siya ay na-touch dito sa ibang mga guests na umattend sa kanyang concert sa Town Hall dahil yung iba ay kagaling pa sa surgery or sa isang medical operation. So talagang nag-effort, na-appreciate ni Sofronio yung effort ng iba sa kanyang mga guests. So dito ay nag-promote siya ng kanyang mga upcoming events, at the same time yung kanyang album mga kapolitikan, na sabi niya meron siyang album dito sa Pilipinas at the same time meron siyang album doon sa US, at yung kanyang big concert dito sa Pasadena, California, na kung saan ay sabi niya kung level up itong version ng kanyang concert dito sa Town Hall sa New York ay mas marami pa ang aabangan dito sa kanyang concert sa Pasadena sa California, na kung saan ay marami po ang mga Pinoy dito. So tamang-tama ang venue or location ng pagdadausan ng susunod na big concert ni Sofronio Vasquez. So makakasama niya rin po dito yung staff niya dito sa Town Hall, at the same time yung si Troy Loretta. And then magkakaroon rin po siya ng event dito sa Birmingham at dito sa UK dahil nga makasama siya sa ASAP tour. So on top of this mga kapolitika ay nagpapasalamat rin siya dito kasi nakita naman natin doon na maganda yung outfit ni Sofronio, at meron daw nagbibihis sa kanya, meron na siyang team, meron na siyang staff na kung saan ay yun ang nagbibihis sa kanya, nag-arrange ng kanyang mga susuotin at mga gagamitin. So maganda ito na kung saan is meron na siyang mga PA na hindi naiisipin ni Sofronio Vasquez kung ano yung kanyang mga susuotin dahil meron na siyang mga assistant. At napansin rin po natin na medyo pumayat itong si Sofronio, which is maganda yun mga kapotya, kasi siguro marami ang nagsasuggest sa kanya at nababasa rin niya yung ating mga recommendations. So nasa New York po ngayon si Sofronio matapos yung kanyang successful na concert kahapon. At ilan po dito sa mga comment ng ating mga netizen ang ating babasahin mga kapolitika. Sabi dito, he is truly a smooth singer. with such a soulful voice, effortlessly filling Broadway's The Town Hall with panache and emotion. What struck me most was his natural chemistry with the audience, genuine, warm, and deeply engaging. Congratulations to Sofronio on his journey so far, and thank you for bringing more beautiful music and heartfelt performances in the future. Keep shining your light through your songs. Congratulations on a truly successful concert and for turning your dream into reality. Our champ, your passion, hard work, and dedication shone brightly on stage and touched the hearts of everyone in the audience. It's incredibly inspiring to witness someone chase their dreams so boldly and bring them to life so beautifully. May this be just the beginning of many more milestones and magical performances to come. So happy for you. It was more euphoric to view you at your most high artistic maneuvers, singing, dancing, interacting with the crowd. You were so lovable. More rich blessings. Our champ Sofronio Vasquez. Our love and prayers. So yun mga kapolitika, ang ilan sa mga komento at reaksyon ng ating mga netizen dito sa katatapos lang na concert ni Sofronio Vasquez sa Town Hall sa New York. At yung kanyang mga announcement rin dito sa social media sa kanyang mga upcoming concerts dahil hindi naman natatapos doon ang mga activities ni Sofronio. Marami pa po tayong mga abangan mga kapolitika. At doon po pala sa mga nagpapasalamat sa concert ni Sofronio dahil napin po natin yung link kung saan natin mapapanood yung simple na video ni Sofronio dahil wala naman tayong official na videographer doon mga kapolitika. So kumuha tayo ng video ni Sir Robert at nakita natin doon yung longer version ng concert ni Sofronio sa Town Hall sa New York. So marami ang nagpapasalamat at walang anuman po at hanggat abot ng ating mga kaya ay gagawin po natin para makakuha tayo ng mga clip at ng mga videos, mga capture ni Sofronio mismo doon sa event. Okay? So yun mga kapolitika at ano po ang inyong mag-reaction. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin po kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Well, I have an upcoming album with Michael Bublé. Watching from Antipolo. Oh wow, we are 300. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my live right now. It was just, I believe it's really needed today that I do live and say thank you to everyone who came tonight. I mean last night. I'm actually lost of words. I don't know. I think I actually don't know what to say. Yeah, everyone came. It was a full house event last night. And yeah, some came from Florida, Chicago, Texas. I even remember some came from, they flew all the way from Netherlands just to watch me. And then I also have people like who's who in the elite people from New York. Sis Lloyda Lewis, Karen Davila, Maria Ressa, Nobel Prize winner. They watched my concert last night. And there's I think some also from the embassy. Yeah. Who else? Yeah, it was an awesome performance from also my guests. I brought with me Shai Roberts, Carolina, Win, Nathan Alexander, and of course my band with the musical direction of Troy Laureta. Aloha, watching from the island of Maui. I really wanted to go to Hawaii. Yeah, it's I know it's morning in the Philippines and it's evening here in New York. Good morning, Coach. Watching all the way from Binyan, Laguna. Hi Sheng. So who are here from last night? Good morning. Liling. Yeah, till next time. Sana makanood kayo ng concert ko. And if ever you have the chance, if you're in California, I believe you'll be excited to watch my October concert. October 11, it's at Pasadena Civic Auditorium. So tickets are out right now. And I also have a guesting with FASO, the summer event in California still. So it's August 15. And then I also have a concert in Dubai, UAE. I enjoyed your concert last night from Flores. See, Irok, I think it's Corey from Florida. I'll be in Florida soon. We are waiting for your concert here. Yeah. I don't think Tita Rose is still here. I think umuwi na sila. But yeah, thank you, still in my inspiration. Thank you so much, Mimi. Hello sir, ingat kayo mga friend, pamaganda. Maraming salamat. Ako po yung nagpa-picture sa'yo bago ka mag-DS. Oh, yeah, Sir Mon, thank you. Pasensya if nagkaroon tayo ng delay dun sa picture kasi nagmamadali din ako. It was a full pack auditorium. I mean, like Town Hall Theater is a big venue in New York and it was full pack. Nung dumaan ako because it's super traffic and the roads are closed, so dumaan ako secretly in front of the line. Parang yung mga tao talaga umabot dun sa 2 block dun sa haba ng pila. It was grabe. Shout out sa Vice Mayor's Office sa Maasim, Sarangani Province. Uy! Hi! Kumusta sa inyo lahat? Hello from Houston, Texas. I'll be in Houston very, very soon. Meron po ba kayong concert sa Canada? Yes, I think I have an event in Canada, but it's still unannounced. So let's just wait for people. But it's confirmed I'll be in UK, Birmingham with ASAP. So I'll be part of the ASAP UK. Yes, we are all excited for your new album. Yes, I have a new album upcoming. One from the Philippines, one album from the Philippines produced by Star Music, and one album produced in America. Yes, I remember Rog. Yeah, I remember you. Of course, I'm a fan from way back watching from Novaliches. Hi, Jean. Rosalinda Logdad. Okay, congratulations. Hi, Sofroni, we're coming to Toronto. If ever people from Toronto, producers from Toronto would bring me back, I would love to. Yeah, but I'm flying back pala to the Philippines. No, I fly back to LA, do recording again before I fly back to the Philippines and do a State of the Nation address. I am so honored, you know. Malacanang sent me an invitation to sing the national anthem. Yeah, it's my honor. I mean, it's also a privilege, and I mean, not all are given the chance to be invited. And so when they did reach out to me, I was so excited and do an album with Shai. I would love that. Watching from China. Oh wow. Hi Alfie, Mama Fe. Ingat po lagi. Kaya di po, we need you to go to Alaska. Alaska, oh that's nice. I like Alaska din. Sana makabalik ko dito sa Winnipeg. Sana nga. Ate Weng from Lipa, Batangas. Guys, I hope so I'm inviting you all to just keep supporting artists like me who always try, you know. I just tried, and then kagabi pala, I was able to speak with a friend who did watch, and then we went to an after party. And so he shared to me that 2018 we had a conversation from Facebook kasi he lives here in New York na. And so he told me na, you know what, meron tayong conversation 2018 that I sent you a photo of New York City's like street view And I told him, no, I wish, I mean, that's one of my like dream city to visit because I'm still back home. I mean, I'm still in the Philippines that time. And he responded, I forgot all of this, and he responded like, yeah, hopefully you can get a concert and do a sold out show. And it really was like a dream come true. I told him like, magdilang hell ka sana. And so it really happened last night. It was a full show. It was 1,500 audience. Grabe yun, 1,500 people. And you get to compete with the Broadway. You know, Town Hall is in Broadway. And then, sobrang daming Broadway shows that you get to compete with. But they chose my concert. So they watched me and they enjoyed it. And I was able to speak with some people from Town Hall too, like who did work there. He told me, this guy told me like it's very unusual that a Filipino or a Filipino can do a sold out show and concert in Town Hall. And then it's very unusual to see those kinds of energy na grabe talaga. Shout out from Santa Ana, Barile, Cebu. Marami kang fans, number 1 ako doon. Thank you, Liberty Ginto. Yun, shout out po. Birthday ko po watching here from KSA. KSA in, is it Middle East then? Tara, you are my newest idol singer. Thank you, Miss Orly. Laag, Saskatoon. Saskatoon is in Canada, di ba? So when ka concert San Diego. LV, I have a concert near San Diego. It's in Pasadena, October 11. So I hope you can support me. It's a big venue. It is where America's Got Talent auditions are being held, which Jessica Sanchez recently made the Golden Buzzer. So it's the same venue. Hopefully I can fill it. It's very impossible to fill, but I'm just gonna try, you know. With the love and support, I mean, I could never doubt people. Just having the support last night, it's impossible but very possible to fill that audience. I mean, fill that auditorium. So, from NYC, Renee Natividad. Hebron Ekal. Oh yeah, that baby boy, sobrang galing. Shout out idol from Dubai, Marimar. I hope you can watch my concert. Meron akong concert yan sa Dubai. It's produced by Luxuries CBM Productions or Entertainment. Sobrang supportive and I can see support and all the way, you know, from Dubai, I can feel their energy. Sponsors are being, you know, flooded. So excited talaga ako to see how Dubai reacts with our concert. So from your star, Ate Alana. Thank you so much, Ate Alana. Oh, I remember Ate Alana. See you in Pasadena. Lori Garcia, maraming salamat. Thank you, Rosalie. Hi, Tian, taste mo lang sinusubaybayan na kita lalo yung resbak. Ang galing mo din. Thank you so much. So from you watching from Virginia. Yeah. Last night talaga, grabe. I mean, nakakatuwa talaga. I was having goosebumps when I was singing. And I was holding my tears every time. I think it was like 4 songs yata. Grabe talaga yung energy. Nagkita na tayo sa Sacramento. You are so bright. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, sana kung meron kayong mga pictures, I hope you can tag me so I can see. Hello from San Narciso, Zambales. Tita, dito ba si ano? Tita Melinda. Ayun na si Ate Melinda. Ay, salamat. Sige. Salamat, Miss LV. I hope na makabili kayo ng ticket and then I'll be able to see you. Marlon Sanchez. Thank you. You know, I have a concert in Dubai. It's September 6. And then I also have a concert in Pasadena, October 11. I also have an event with FASO, August 15. Please come to Australia. I really wanted to come to Australia. Actually, we have a planned Australia concert like Leg. But for some reasons, parang hindi natuloy. So, For sure, it's going to be happening real soon. How to audition The Voice. You just have to sign in to a casting. Balik-balik ko yung kanta mo. Thank you, Liberty. Dan shared po from... Thank you, Matt. Salamat po sa mga nag-share. Honestly, I am just here to say hello and hi to everyone. Paano magsasara na yata yung... Magsasara na ba, Jeric? Sana i-extend naman. Yeah, thank you po sa mga nanood. I'll be posting some videos. Ano daw? Ay. Yeah, sa swimming pool, magsasara na. So, hindi mo na ako nakaswim. Walang humpay ang magiging blessing mo dahil pagiging humble. Thank you, Matt. Yeah, so, hi, Elda. I hope I can see you and your mommy sa isang concert ko. Probably in Pasadena. Because I think you're near in Pasadena. See you in Soler. Yeah, I also have a concert pala. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I have a concert in Soler, August 23. That's a Bravo concert with Jed Madela, Between Escalante, and some vocal champs. Yeah, I do have recordings. We'll just wait for when it is going to be released. It's a beautiful album. I've worked with Jonathan Manalo and we recorded it in New York City. And I also have an album being on the works right now with Michael Bublé's producer. Saan makikita yung photos with VIP? You know what, Francesca? Tita, I also am asking because I wanted to post it. But I'll ask the producers. Yeah, sana sa Arkansas din. I've been to Arkansas before. I am your senior fan here in the Philippines. Thank you, guys. My son was able to catch and video. I already posted. Ano daw? Ano ba yun? Is Town Hall will be out? I'm not sure. I don't know if it was recorded last time. We watched last. Thank you, Frank. We need a collab with Rap. I mean, I would love to. You know, Rap is a powerhouse singer. Seattle when probably next year with Seattle. Yeah, I have a good friend and she's a producer in Seattle, but we will arrange it. Bro Natics are waiting. Do it with Hepron. Bro Natics. Okay, Amelia Caro. How are you? I'm good. Filipinas Gutierrez. Looking forward to see you on October 11 in Pasadena. Oh, Zizi Rhea Port. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, you just have to compete and try. Where are you in January? Tita Sally, I got... Kaya ba nabigay nito, Tita Sally? Paulit-ulit kong pinapanood yung concert mo, Listening All the Ways. Yeah, nice outfits. Oh yeah, speaking of outfits, last night that I was able to wear it, like all of the creations from, of course, my stylist, the one, Maki Combe. I've been with Maki Combe since I was competing, and I love his, I love our connection. And then it was brought by some beautiful and friendly friends from Philippine Airlines, and I also was able to wear something from like a beautiful suit made by Bessie Disana. He was the designer of the Wurzbach, and then he's based here in New York. A good friend. And then, yeah, sila mismo yung nag-assist sa akin kagabi. I had a full team. Sometimes it's challenging to be in a concert when you don't have a team. But last night I was like, I had a full team. Every time I come out of stage, merong naghuhubad jacket, merong nagpapalit ng damit, merong nag-makeup. Thank you Samantha is a New York-based makeup artist. So, ganda. Super super manifest, fresh lang. Album, malapit na yung album. Yeah, to all the Filipinos pala who are watching ASAP, I'll be there in UK. And to all my my Ozamis family and my Region 10, my Misamis Occidental people, I know you've been reaching out to Mama and to me. But rest assured, magkikita tayo. So just say hi. And I know most of your faces. So it's impossible that I would not recognize. Watching from Bukidnon, layo kaayo. Hi, my sexy cousin. I miss you, Diksay. Guwapo mo dun, pumayat ka. Yeah, I think I lost a lot of weight na. Is that ate? Ate Bulats. Sana mag-grill tayo. Hindi sila sarado. Yung pool lang. So, sana may meet and greet kayo sa Soler. For sure, there would be one. When I could ask. Hindi pala ako sure. I like your outfit kasi last night kasi bagay na bagay sa'yo. But Imelda, honestly, talagang yung pants maluwag na. So, kailangan ko nang i-revisit yung sizes ko kasi talaga, medyo pumayat ako. So, I made efforts naman. So, thank you, Lord. Guesting. Ko po, watching from KSA. Yeah, last night we also had special shout out pala sa mga diamonds, sa our sponsors last night. It's Skin 105 Health, IVRX Health Group, BPI, Remit. Yeah, people from Bank of the Philippine Airlines, yung bosses nila, flew all the way from the Philippines to watch me and support me. Grabe talaga, nakakatuwa. Ako po isang school principal dito sa province ng Occidental. Sir, thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa service niyo. Hi, Melden. Hi, Luna and Clyde. Nilda, gwapo kayo dyan. You base the best. Wag kita magkita ba? I mean, yeah, it was a full house. Sobrang thank you po sa mga watching from Somerville, New Jersey. Ara! Ako si Ara. Ang daming dala ni Ara. And I really felt, I saw you dancing. Ara, thank you so much for the support. I also met people from New Jersey. Sumakay sila ng train. Dami-dami nila. And I also remembered, meron pang mga kakagaling ng knee surgery. May mga naka-wheelchair. You know, it's so hard na not to be touched. Sana makaproduce ka ng worship. Oh, I would love to sing a worship song. It's a beautiful. Ate Agnes, kumusta? Watching from Kansas City. Sample ka naman po ng kanta. Ay, watching from... Ay, nako. Mars Lacuna. Hi. Pumayat ka na. Iiwasan lang natin yung chocolates. Pero makakapagpataba sa akin dito sa New York is Jollibee. Ang galing mo kagabi, grabe ang energy. I was also surprised. Probably because my energy is was supplemented by people around me. Bank of the Philippine Islands, not airlines, no, BPI pa lang, sorry. Nalito lang. Ay, si Jan, no, ilang beses nang nanood ng concert yan. So, Jan, sana manood ka rin ng Pasadena. I hope nag-enjoy ka dyan. I appreciate na watching from North Carolina. Ay, nako. Yeah, it was a good night. Anyway, I would not take so much of your time. I just wanted to say hi and say thank you to everyone who came last night. I appreciate everyone. I'm sorry if I was not able to say hi to everyone. And I'm sorry if I was not also able to acknowledge or recognize people agad-agad. Rest assured, you're in my heart. I love everyone. I love your energy. And I hopefully can see you in my next Mariana, huwag ka maingay. In my next show, I mean, I would be first seen in the Philippines for the national anthem for the State of Nation address of President Bongbong Marcos. I would also be in Faso. No, in Florida pa. I think it's August 3 or 2. In August with Kyle Echari for the TFC event. I would also be in Faso, August 15 in California. And then I would be in UK with ASAP family. I would also be in Dubai, of course. So, sa mga friends natin dyan sa Dubai, UAE, sana po ay sa mga kalapit na lugar, sana po ay magkaroon po kayo ng chance na manood ng concert ko at isuportahan niyo po ako. And yes, I will be having a big concert in October 11 at the Pasadena Civic Auditorium. So if you are in California, I hope na you can grab your tickets. It's out in Ticketmaster. It's the same production who produced my show in New York, in Utica and in Town Hall. Of course, with Troy Laureta, my musical director, and I would bring another set of friends, you know. Yeah, so hopefully you'll be surprised kung sino yung mga guests ko doon. And I would bring in more dancers, more band members, more instruments. So you would never want to miss it. So if you guys also want to, you know, you're generous enough and you're big heart, if you want to sponsor us, I mean, we are so happy to, you know, receive that love. Yeah. So maraming salamat. Happy Sunday night sa mga andito sa Amerika, and happy and blessed morning of Monday sa mga nasa Pilipinas. Oh, Alabata. God bless you guys. Maraming salamat. I love you everyone. Thank you. Ciao for now.